Hello everyone, my name is Tina. Welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to trade the double top and double bottom. This is a trading secret that you can be using to enter, trade and exit like a pro. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm on trading view right now. I'm on GJ, Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. Okay, and I'm on the 4 hours time frame. Okay guys, so I spotted a double top. So what I want to do next is to bring out my tool. The first thing you want to do is to spot or identify your double top. Once you've done that, you bring out your tool to mark your double top. I'm going to use the circle to mark the first top. Okay, this is the second top. Okay, so what I want to do next is to mark your neckline, is to mark my neckline. So this is the neckline. The neckline is usually where the movement started from. The movement that formed the second top, I mean. Okay, that's what the neckline is. That's my whole definition of the neckline. Okay guys, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to bring out your ruling tool, and you're going to draw from the neckline to the second top. Okay, so what we want to do next is to mark our 50%, the 50% of our ruler, of the ruling tool. That's what we're going to do. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to go to the 1 hour time frame for your entry. Okay, I'm on the 1 hour time frame right now. Okay, so this is it. So what's the next thing we want to do? I'm not going to place any trade. You shouldn't place any trade until you see a bearish candle. In this case, my bearish candle is the black candle. The color of my bearish candle is the black candle. Yours can be red, depending on the color you decided to use. This is my bearish candle. Okay, so what next? What you want to do next is to wait. You're going to look at for current support break. So what we're looking at, you look at for the current support. Once I've seen that bearish candle, I'm going to wait for the candle to close. So I will draw my support, my current support. So what I want to do next, I'm not going to place any trade until I see price break this support. I want to see price break and a candle close below. Once a candle close below the support, I will enter the trade immediately the next candle opened. Okay, so this is going to be my entry. Okay, I'll bring out my short position too, and I will put my stop loss a little bit above the recent high. That's going to be my stop, and my TP, my take profit, is going to be 50% of our ruler, the ruler we drew earlier. That's going to be my TP. Okay, that's for the first entry. For my second entry, I want to see a candle close below the 50% of my ruler. So once a candle close below, I will enter with the next candle. So this is the candle that closed below. So this is going to be my entry. I will bring out my short position too. I will open the trade here. My stop loss is just going to be a little bit above the recent high, and my TP is going to be the neckline of the neckline we drew earlier. Okay, that's my TP. So as you can see, we entered this trade from around 181 250, I think, and look at it, price smashed 120 pips, more than 120 pips. So by now you must have moved your stops to break even, or you must have taken partials. 120 pips in the market. I just can't overemphasize how important it is to know when to take your break even, sorry, to put your stop loss to break even or to take partials. Anything can happen in this market. Okay guys, so usually the TP is supposed to be here. Okay, but sometimes the market can be funny. As you can see, this is December. This was December. The market, you know, the market is not always stable during December. Okay, so 120 pips is not easy. That's huge, guys. It's huge. So guys, this is it. This is my second entry. I want to teach you how I enter this trade for the third time, my third entry. But before I do that, if you know you've not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, I want you to do that. Hit the subscribe button, because you're going to be learning a lot in this channel. I'm going to be teaching you a lot of strategies. There are different methods I use in approaching or entering this market. Okay, there's nothing that is as good as when you have different how will I call it, when you have different confluences. You have different confluences in entry the market. Once confluence one say say, confluence two say say, then you'll be more confident in entering that trade. So that's it, guys. That's what I want to teach you. So I'm gonna do that now. So I'm waiting for you. Hit the subscribe button. Okay, I believe you've done that. Okay, guys, for my third entry, I will go to the 4 hours time frame. I'll go to the 4 hours time frame. This is what I usually do. As I go to when I go to the 4 hour time, I want to wait for a retracement. I want to see price retrace. For my third entry, I will bring out my Fibonacci retracement tool. I will draw from the high to the low. Okay, and I will wait for price to get to 0.5 Fibonacci level or 0.618 Fibonacci level. Sometimes just in between 0.1 and 0.5 and 0.618. That's my entry. But I'm not going to enter until I see price candlestick confirmation. I want to see confirmation for me to enter the trade. And my TP is going to be the 0% of our Fibonacci level. That's my TP. TP1. TP2 is going to be this 0.27, the blue line. Okay, guys, I've just taught you how to trade the double top. I'm going to teach you how to trade the double bottom. Okay, so before I do, let me just delete this drawing so I don't get you guys confused. Okay, guys, trading the double bottom is just the opposite way you trade the double top. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to identify your double bottom. Okay, once you've identified your double bottom, okay, let me just mark this is the first bottom, this is our first bottom, and this is the second bottom. This is our second bottom. So what you want to do next is to mark your neckline. Okay, this is my neckline. Okay, the next thing is to bring out your ruling tool. You draw from the neckline to the second bottom. Okay, so what you want to do next is to mark the 50% of your ruler, because that's where we're going to be setting our take profits. Okay, so what you want to do next, the next thing is to go to the 1 hour time frame for your entry. Okay, so you shouldn't do anything, and I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to take any trade until I see a bullish candle. If I see a bullish candle, then I'm going to draw my current resistance. We're looking for current resistance break. We want to see price break that candle. Let a candle close above that our current resistance. Then this is going to be our entry. As you can see, a candle close above. I'm going to enter with the next bullish candle. So what I'm going to do now is to bring out my long position to open the trade here. I'm going to take the trade, and my stop loss is just going to be a little bit below the recent high, sorry, the recent low, because we are trading the double bottom. My TP is going to be the 50% of our ruler. Okay, so my second entry now is going to be, I'm going to wait for a candle to close above this our 50% or the 50% of our ruler. So once I see that, I'm going to enter the trade. I'll bring out my long position too. I will enter the trade with the next candle, and my stop loss is just going to be a little bit below the recent low. My TP is going to be the neckline. Okay, this is my TP. As you can see, guys, this was a beautiful trade. Price smashed our TP. Okay, guys, that's it. I've just taught you how to trade the double top and double bottom. Okay, guys, if you've not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I also want you to like this video. You can share it with your friends, any one of you. Yeah, just share this video. Okay, so guys, okay, that's it for this video. I believe this video is already long. I don't want to keep it longer than this. Okay, thank you very much for watching. My name remains Tina. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.